Well, when does he get it?
He doesn't.
Why not?
Because he broke the rules.
First of all, if you're playing with 3 players, choose one of the colors from the deck and remove all the cards of that color. If you're playing with 4 or 5 players, play with all the colors. Give each player a unique color card to start, and one of these scorecards. Place a number of row cards equal to the number of players in the playing area. Take the end of round card and place it 15 cards from the bottom of the rest of the cards. Put the cards within easy reach of all the players, and begin play. On your turn, you can take one of 2 different actions. The first action is to draw a card and add it to a row, so long as there aren't already 3 cards in that row. So this player, for instance, could draw a card and add it to this row. Now that there are 3 cards on this row, no further cards can be added. If you draw the round end card, discard it, and draw another card in its place. The second action is to take a row and all the cards in it. You can never take an empty row though. So this player then could take this row. He takes the cards and adds it to his sets of cards. Take the row card and discard it. Once you take a row, you no longer take actions for the current round, so now these 2 players are left to take cards. If you drew the round end card, go to a scoring round at this point. Otherwise, put all the row cards back into the middle of the table and continue play with whoever took the last row card in the previous round. Immediately before the scoring round, if any players have wild cards, they could add it to any one of their colored sets. Typically, you'll add it to your largest set unless there's already 6 cards in that set. As you see here, the scoring caps out at 6 cards, so 7 cards doesn't give you any extra benefit. Players get positive points for any +2 cards, +2 each, as well as their 3 largest sets of colors. All other sets of colors count as negative points for the player. So in this example, the player will get 21 points for the set of 6, 10 for the set of 4. We see that the player has a positive set of 3 and a negative set of 3, so we can save ourselves some arithmetic and just throw these cards out. The player's getting 4 points from his +2 cards, and -3 points for his leftover set. Overall, the player gets 32 points. The game ends after 4 rounds, and whichever player has the most points at that point wins the game.